So, what is a filter? Well, a filter is a device that alters the frequency response of your signal, which colors your sound. It can do this in many different ways. It can cut out the highs to dampen the sound. We can cut out the lows to help a synth fit over something like a bass. Or we can boost certain frequencies to create metallic sounds or even vowel-like articulations. And when you modulate certain parameters, you're able to add motion to your signal over time. Now, the cutoff knob controls the frequency of your filter, and the resonance or Q knob controls the affected frequency range and or intensity of that filter. Now let's look up some filter types. First, we have the low-pass filter, also known as the high-cut filter, and it sounds like this. Next, we have the high-pass filter, also known as the low-cut filter, and it sounds like this. Now let's take a look at the bandpass filter. And next up is the peak filter. And finally, the notch filter. These are your most basic filter types. There are more, but these are the ones that you absolutely need to know. If you see a number next to your filter's name, it either represents the steepness of the filter's roll-off or the amount of resonance on your filter. A 6 dB roll-off is nowhere near as steep as a 24 dB roll-off, and a notch with a Q, or quality, of 24 is much more resonant than a notch with a quality of 12. We'll go over some more filters in the next clip, so stick around and follow or subscribe, and I'll show you everything you need to know to start modulating with filters. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.